Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Chaudhry kitchen. I hope you guys are all doing well. So today my mom's gonna be making a Moroccan brioche, and so she will guide you through the ingredients right now.
So for brioche, here I have a 2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon yeast, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 egg, 4 tablespoon butter unsalted, half teaspoon of salt, and 250 ml I have a milk, 1 cup. Here I have 1 packet of vanilla sugar. If you guys don't have a vanilla sugar, you could use a regular vanilla. So now we're gonna prepare our dough. Yeast, sugar, salt, and vanilla sugar. All the dry ingredients we're gonna mix well. Now we're gonna add our other ingredient: egg, butter, and milk little by little. We're not gonna add at once. Okay guys, to knead the dough, I use lukewarm water and lukewarm milk. I'm gonna knead 2-3 minutes.
So the dough is ready. We're gonna place this in a warm area anywhere in our kitchen for an hour or 2 until the dough rises, and then we're gonna proceed to the next step.
So I'm gonna place some oil on top of the dough. The top surface doesn't get dry. So we're gonna put it and transfer into this ball.
So as you guys can see, the dough has rise, so now we're gonna get started.
So we're gonna knead one more time to remove the air from the dough. Now it's nice and smooth. I'm gonna sprinkle some flour on the counter. So now we're gonna split dough into small pieces. As you guys see, I split the dough into small pieces. Now we're gonna make small ball out of this, like this.
So now we're gonna let these dough balls set for 5 to 10 minutes.
We're gonna flatten out the bread. I'm gonna use roller to make it bigger size.
So now we're gonna make cuts horizontally, just like that. We're gonna fold it in half.
Yeah, we're gonna fold it like this.
Pat down the edges, just like that.
Now I'm gonna replace my cheese in the center of the bread. I'm using this cheese, cream cheese, lavash kiri. So we're gonna fold it like this. And the other part is gonna go on top of another, like a triangle. Here it's supposed to be like this. I'm gonna make all of them like this. Here I took 1 egg. I'm gonna beat it up with the fork.
Now we're gonna coat these brioche with egg, very lightly.
So I'm gonna sprinkle some sesame seed here. I'm using black and white sesame. If you guys don't have a black, just do with the white. And I already preheat my oven 350 Fahrenheit on bake. Now we'll place in the oven 30 to 40 minutes. So guys, here's delicious brioche are ready. So you guys could have it after iftari with tea or during Sehri. I hope you guys like my yummy brioche recipe. Please like it, share it and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for the new video notification. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.